bored, Barbie. Yeah, it's raining outside so much we can't even play soccer.
I have an idea, girls. Why don't you help me?
What are you doing?
Well, since you girls are over here, I thought, why not make some cupcakes for you all?
Yay! Cupcakes! That sounds awesome, Barbie. We can help. Let's go sit on the chairs. I love your apron, Barbie.
Oh, thank you, Annie.
It has so many pretty cupcakes on it.
Yeah, I wear it especially when I'm baking. Okay, let me get my mixing bowl for making the cupcake batter. Okay, let me bring it here. I got this awesome cupcake mix from the store.
I want to put the cake mix in the bowl.
Okay, Chelsea, just be careful with it. Let me open it for you.
I came on this side because it's easy to put the cake mix.
Alright, careful, Chelsea, careful. Okay, that looks like it's all done.
Ooh, it looks like it's going to be vanilla cupcakes because it's so white. Yum.
Yes, they are vanilla. Okay, so the recipe asks for 2 eggs and a little bit of milk. Okay, I'm gonna grab 2 eggs and crack them into the cake mix. Okay, that looks good. Now I guess just some milk is left over.
Ooh, I want to pour some milk.
Okay.
Barbie, is this enough?
Yeah, I think that's good enough, Annie. Okay, perfect. Now it's mixing time.
I want to mix it. No, I want to mix it.
Well, girls, let's just be fair. Why don't you both mix it together?
I should be mixing first. I'm the oldest. She always wants to go first.
Girls, please be polite. I'm gonna go turn on the oven. Until then, I want you both to mix the batter.
Mix, mix, mix. It looks so cool. Give it to me. No, it's not your turn yet. Yes, it is. No, it's still my turn. Let me mix it. It's my turn. No, it's still my turn. Let it go, Annie. Annie, look what you did. I didn't do it. You did it. Barbie!
Girls, please. Look what happened now. The batter is all over the table. What a big mess. You know, I asked you both to please take turns or do things together. I won't let anyone help me if we don't behave. You know what, actually? No one will get any cupcakes if we don't share.
We're sorry, Barbie. We'll take turns. Yeah, I'll let Elsie go first. Thanks, Annie, but I think we should both clean up the mess.
Well, don't worry about that. I'll clean this up, and then if everybody shares, that's when we're gonna make cupcakes. Okay, let me straighten out the bowl first. Okay, and let me clean this mess up here. Wipe it off.
Ooh, I love mixing. Mix some more. Chelsea, do you want to turn? No, I just want to help decorate the cupcakes.
Okay, girls, you did an awesome job mixing. Time to put it in the oven. Okay, let me just mix one last time. Okay, I think that looks perfectly done. Okay, girls, I've poured in the batter in the baking sheet. I'm just gonna level it out so they're all one level. Okay, time to put them in the oven.
Could I do that?
Oh, no. Ovens are only for adults. You should be far away from ovens. They're really, really hot. Okay. Let me open the oven here. Okay. There we go. Now I'm going to put the sheet inside. Okay, I'm going to put it in the oven. close the door here. Okay, put the timer on.
Ooh, look at the cupcakes rising.
Okay, so the timer went off. That means the cupcakes are done. Let's go get them. Okay, back up, girls. The oven is really hot. Ooh, let me just grab my oven mitt. Okay, let me open up the oven. I'll take the cupcake tray out.
Ooh, those look so good. I can't wait to eat them.
Yeah, those do smell so yummy. Okay, let's put them on the table. Okay, now that the cupcakes have cooled down a bit, let's get decorating.
I think Chelsea should go first because she really wanted to decorate them. Oh, it's a pretty flower.
You're doing a great job, Chelsea. It looks amazing.
Thank you.
Okay.
Ooh, that looks so pretty. I want to eat that one.
Okay, let's get on the second one now. Okay.
Are they all the same?
Let's see. Oh no, that's a pretty heart. Looks so pretty.
Yeah, it looks so pretty. Okay, it's my turn now. Whoa, so cool. It's so rainbowy.
Yeah, these
It's like sprinkles.
they look really pretty. You can do one more, Ani.
Okay. Do this one now. Whoa, it's like a nice blue color.
Beautiful. Okay, let's get Elsie to do the next two.
Here, Elsie. Ooh, it's such a pretty color.
So nice and yellow.
Yeah.
Let's do this last one. Yeah.
The same as the other one.
Yep. Pretty flower in there. Awesome. These cupcakes looks amazing.
I want to taste one.
Wow, girls, you did an amazing job. But let's just have some lunch first and then we'll dig into these cupcakes.
Yay! Thanks for watching! Subscribe for more videos.